Another thing that may cause you to have to replace a draper belt is if you're feeding on one side and not the other. What tends to happen is that crop will get thrown from one side and it'll go underneath the other side belt and it'll start wrapping underneath, and it can cause your belt to get torn. We do offer a product called a crop diverter that goes in your center to help that crop. As soon as it hits it, it falls down on the belt and gets pulled into the feeder house. Is going to mount up in the center here. You got 2 bolt holes. It comes with 2 bolts, all the hardware you need. You will have to drill some holes in, and it's going to sit in there. You'll want to center it up, obviously, with your center of your reel. But basically, all it's going to do is when that crop's coming in, if it's only on this side, it's going to come in, hit the deflector, and fall down into your center belt and go into your feeder house. Versus without it, it shoots through, and sometimes it'll get pulled back underneath the other side, causing issues and breaking belts or balling up underneath and causing some big problems.